Thank you so much for downloading this free guide called Create Time for Yourself. May this additional time brings you abundance of health, wealth, fun and enjoyment in your lives. Since you have trusted us and our research, we and our team is going to give you a pleasant surprise. We are giving you an automatic upgrade and a free ticket to our upcoming workshop, which we call Business Incubation Workshop. And in this workshop, you are going to talk about how you can create a business out of your own passion. Because if you are somebody who have 10 plus years of experience, they're not being given proper recognition in their organization, they're always in the pleading mode, they're not happy working 9 to 5, then this business incubation workshop is going to do wonders for you. This will tell you how you can create life of your own choice, how you can be the boss of your own, and how you can create opportunities not only for yourself but for the others, employment for the others. We are on a mission to transform 100,000 plus lives by 2025, and we are on our way to that. We have already been doing for quite a long time, and we believe that if you are somebody who has a deep desire to create something out of your own, if you are willing to do something which is really exciting for yourself, which is coming from your inner heart, this is the right place to join us. And join us in this business incubation workshop, where we'll be talking about creating a business out of your own passion with a system and a process. Join this workshop, devote some time, and trust me, I'm going to give you more than what you expect from this business incubation workshop. Click in here, join. I'm going to see you there live.